Your understanding of how to produce crops needs to be checked. The way you've been taught to supplement, to give all types of synthetic chemicals, and to create all these wild environments is wrong. See, your gardening is done, it's over with. It's over. Do you understand what's going on here? See, you stop gardening because of your understanding of gardening is limited. Hey guys, my name is Jerry Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot. Well, all you do is throw your seeds and your plants in the planter. You never water, you never feed. And it'll produce food for you for the rest of your life. See, most of your gardens are done, it's over with. You're not growing anything, it's done. Me, I'm just getting started. Every month to a month and a half, put in a fresh crop of just radish alone. It grows corn, watermelon. These torpedo pots grow anything. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in them, and they grow. We grow already from the peppers, over 1,000 peppers. So I came out today to get something to eat. But it's good that I come and harvest my food because I have so much of it. And I don't want it to stay in here. Now, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 planters. With 5 planters, would you believe that you can grow 24-inch planters close to about $1,000 a year in just radish for resale? Yeah, it's amazing what you can do. It's called torpedo pot. Again, I never water, I never feed. But the problem is that I grow a lot of food, so I have to eat it. I come and eat my food. And there's so much of it. And so I go from planter to planter and make it look like I'm going to eat it all, but I can't. It's called torpedo pot. So what I do is I go around and I harvest them. Look how densely they are. They're so dense. And all I do is harvest all the day long in my torpedo pot. See, your winter's done, it's over with, okay? You're not doing anything at all. I'm still growing my food. Get a torpedo pot. These are self-growing planters. All I did was put my seeds and my plants in that planter. And you know what it does? It grows my food for me. I don't have to grow my food anymore. I don't till the ground. What do I till the ground for? I have food right here. I don't have to till the ground. I never water my plants, so I don't have to water my plants. I just walk up to them. I find out what I want, pull it out, and I have food. Nature continues to grow forever. It's an unlimited force. And so when we take our plants and our seeds and put them in these planters, it respects nature. It takes all of the ingredients from the world around it, breaks it down so that the plant can now get it and live. It respects your food. By growing the way that you're growing right now, it shows that you have a lack of respect for your food. Your growing methodology clearly states that you really don't care about your food. You don't know what you put in your mouth. You just want to feel full. You need to get a torpedo pot. It'll fulfill all of your vitamins and the minerals that you need. Can be done in one shot. You don't have to do anything else. And you'll have it for the rest of your life. Yeah. When this crop is done, I throw a seed in immediately. Next crop comes, throw it in. You keep growing over and over and over and over again. It never stops. The radish seeds are in the thousands. One crop can set you for a very, very long time. Well, my name is Jerry Addison, and this is torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters. And these planters grow your food, ensure that you never have a problem with food again in your life. And you're going to love your food. I love my food. I love it so much, and the greens are so fresh. I love the greens, so I can eat them and enjoy them. Jerry Addison, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.